I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your ration card with Aadhar online. This process is essential for ensuring you receive your entitled government subsidies and helps prevent misuse of public distribution system benefits. We will walk through the simple steps to complete this important linkage from the comfort of your home, making the entire process straightforward and easy to understand. Let's get started with what you will need. Before you begin the online linking process, gather a few key documents. You will need your physical ration card and clear photocopies of the Aadhar cards for every family member listed on the ration card. Also, ensure you have access to the mobile phone number registered with your Aadhar, as it will receive a crucial one-time password. If your Aadhar is not yet connected to your bank account, a copy of your bank passbook will also be required. Now let's go through the online steps. First, navigate to your specific state's public distribution system, or PDS portal. Look for the option to link Aadhar with your ration card. You will then be prompted to enter your ration card number, followed by your Aadhar number and your registered mobile phone number. After entering these details, a one-time password will be sent to your mobile. Enter this 6-digit code on the portal to submit your linking request. Once your request is submitted, you will typically receive an SMS notification confirming that your Aadhar and ration card have been successfully linked. This crucial step offers several benefits. It significantly reduces fraudulent activities and helps eliminate duplicate ration cards, ensuring that subsidies reach only genuine beneficiaries. Ultimately, this process enhances transparency and ensures the accurate distribution of essential food grains to eligible families across the nation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.